Girl, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how a man suddenly gets obsessed the minute you stop giving him attention? Like you were texting him, giving him all your time, always available, and he was lukewarm. But the moment you pull back, the moment you go quiet, suddenly he's blowing up your phone, asking where you are, acting like you're the only woman on earth. That, my love, is not an accident. That is psychology. That is power. And today, I'm about to teach you how to master it, the art of disappearing. Because when you learn how to vanish the right way, baby, you become unforgettable. You become magnetic. You increase your value in his eyes so fast, he'll be chasing you like rent is due. So stay with me till the end, because I'm not just going to explain why disappearing works. I'm going to give you the exact steps to pull it off like a queen, so that when you reappear, he's ready to spoil you, commit to you, and treat you like the prize you are. Here's the truth, girl. Men are wired to chase what feels scarce. It's basic psychology. Scarcity creates value. If something is always there, always accessible, always available, they take it for granted. Think about diamonds. They're just carbon, right? But because they're rare, because you can't just pick one up on the street, people are willing to spend thousands for them. Now flip that to dating. If you're always answering his texts immediately, always saying yes to plans, always dropping everything for him, girl, you just made yourself the corner store candy bar. Cheap, accessible, everywhere. But when you disappear, when you pull back your energy and create space, suddenly you're the diamond. He starts asking himself, where did she go? Who's she with? Is she slipping away? That little bit of distance flips his brain into chase mode. Disappearing makes him value you more because he fears losing you. But, and this is a big but, if you disappear the wrong way, you'll lose him completely. So let me show you how to vanish the right way. Because once you know this technique, sis, you'll never chase a man again. All right, here's where most women mess it up. They think disappearing means ghosting, blocking, cutting off. Wrong. That's not strategy. That's drama. The art of disappearing is about pulling back just enough to make him miss you, but not so much that he feels abandoned. It's finesse, baby. It's chess, not checkers. Step 1, control your communication. Don't text him first all the time. Don't respond right away. Let him feel that space. Step 2, control your availability. If he asks to see you, you don't drop everything. You check your schedule. You make him wait sometimes. Step 3, be unpredictable. Stop being his daily routine. If he knows you'll always answer, always be free, always say yes, that's boring. Mystery is sexy. When you disappear with elegance, he starts chasing harder. He starts investing more. He feels the shift, and it triggers his competitive instinct to win you back. But here's the catch, and this is crucial. Most women don't know when to reappear. And timing, sis, is everything. Because if you come back too soon, you kill the magic. Too late, and you lose him. So let's talk about the sweet spot. Real quick, babe. If this is already hitting home, go ahead and tap that like button. Let YouTube know women out here are waking up and stepping into their power. And make sure you're subscribed, because I've got way more fire coming that'll have men spoiling you, chasing you, and treating you like the goddess you are. So, when should you reappear after disappearing? Here's the truth. The sweet spot is right at the point when he starts noticing your absence, but before he gives up completely. Now, every man is different. Some men notice within 2 days, some within a week. But here's the key. Look for the shift, the double texts, the hey, where are you? The late night calls. That's when you've got him exactly where you want him. That's your cue to reappear, but not with desperation. No. You come back soft, feminine, glowing, mysterious. You act like you were living your best life while he was stressing over you. When you reappear at the right moment, his brain literally rewards him. It's like, yes, I got her back. That's when he emotionally invests more deeply, because he feels he earned you. But here's the kicker. What you do while you're gone matters more than the disappearance itself. Because if you vanish but don't level up, he'll come back to the same woman. And that's not obsession material. So let me show you how to turn your disappearing act into a full-blown glow-up. Girl, disappearing is not just about ignoring him. It's about becoming unforgettable while you're away. Here's how. Glow up physically. Hit the gym, upgrade your wardrobe, change your hair, take those fire selfies. Glow up socially. Be seen living, laughing, enjoying life. Post that brunch, that spa day, that girls' night out. Let him see or wonder that your world doesn't revolve around him. Glow up emotionally. Meditate, journal, get into therapy if you need. Heal your wounds, center your energy. Men can smell emotional stability, and it drives them wild when paired with mystery. Glow up financially. Focus on your bag. When he sees you leveling up in money and mindset, he knows you're not a liability. You're the prize. When he gets you back, you're not just the woman he missed, you're an upgraded version. That's when obsession kicks in. He realizes you're evolving, and he risks losing you if he doesn't step up. And this, my love, is where you flip the game permanently. Because once you master the disappearing act as part of your strategy, he doesn't just chase you, he stays chasing you. Here's the final level. Don't just use disappearing as a one-time trick. Make it a part of your relationship dynamic. That means you keep your independence, always. You maintain your hobbies, your friends, your goals. You never let him feel like he owns 100% of your time. When he slips into comfort, you pull back. When he starts taking you for granted, you disappear just enough to remind him who you are. That little cycle keeps the energy alive, keeps him investing, keeps him spoiling. He becomes addicted to your presence because he knows it's never guaranteed. That's feminine power, baby. But before I leave you with the final gem, let me say this. Girl, if you're ready to master this kind of feminine power, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because I've got more coming that will make men worship the ground you walk on. But let me leave you with this. Disappearing isn't about punishing a man. It's not about being petty or manipulative. It's about reminding yourself and him that you are the prize. A man who truly values you will always chase what he can't fully own. He will always fight for what feels scarce. When you disappear with strategy, you don't just make him miss you. You make him invest, protect, provide, and commit. So never be afraid to pull back. Never be afraid to vanish. Because when you return, glowing, powerful, and elevated, he'll know he either steps up or he loses the best thing he ever had. And queens, that's how you win.